Welcome back to the Senior Living Experience channel. My name is Shelby Reed, and today we're going to chat about a really quick topic that we talk with our clients about, and that is what is the first step when you're considering senior living and moving and downsizing to senior housing. It can be super, super overwhelming, really not knowing where to really turn. And what we wanted to share was just some guidance we give to our customers and our clients and our communities that we work with when we hear people with this dilemma of, okay, I'm ready to sell my home, or I know I need to move. I have a declining health issue, or my spouse, has a declining health issue, or hey, I'm just lonely and I'm ready to get into a more social environment, or I'm tired of paying all my utility bills and real estate tax bill at the end of the year. I want a simplified way of living. And that oftentimes will lead people to the question of, should I consider senior housing or a senior living community? And what do I do? What is the next step to do to get to there? We always recommend that the first step is do some research, do your homework, watch videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, check out our website. We have a great free book you can download. It's an ebook, or if you just shoot me your home mailing address, I'm happy to mail you a hard copy as well. But the biggest thing is getting in touch with a senior placement advisor who can help provide information on the specific senior living communities in your area. And they can give you pros and cons based on and also help pros and cons of each community, and then also help you really list out what are your top 3 goals of this community you're looking for, or what are top 3 things you're looking for at that community. Is it location? Is it price/budget? Is it what type of dining they offer? Is it the food? Is it the amenities? Everyone's list is different. So we always encourage everyone to get in touch with a senior placement advisor in your area who knows the communities and the people in your area that you need to reach out to. And they can help bridge that gap. We have a really great short list of advisors we work with, and would love to pass that information on to you if you're interested. Please just reach out to us via our website or our phone. Our phone number is listed on our website, and we're happy to help provide that great contact for you so that you can be steered in a great place to find answers to a lot of your first initial questions. So as always, see you on the next video. Take care and have a great day. Thanks.